Hello, agus fátíí rás héic na seansálaithe mas maith le seans a lacu glaciad na seansálaithe. Is me se Hugh Mac Giolla Chearra a rás le bhríis Áine bre, well actually Nelson cin dáhfuil an amsir, so just dearmid gur Áine bre. Bemuid dearfa, dearmid go amsir jazz an nniu, le chuid dé. A tá anseo le muid cóleací muid corde, tá anseo le Áine Mhaoir ar dús Áine dibretátu.
Tá me go maiid go mína maigad.
Agus tá anseo fásta le Ron Burgundy. Ron, Jimmer Ted.
Good day, San Diego. Yeah, tú go.
Tá anseo le James Flatharta an foié a tá ra go le Ron Burgundy nó don dtíon nachhfuil ag ggurc ar an YouTube ná mar dúir for chatting Flatharta tá Movember arsúil in seo Hartar an Dón agus tá Crummel James ag ggurc go fear why. Nes tá ceist bhhainnig James. Cén technique atógad le ag ggurcanéad a chrummel na cén bhfuil próses agad bhfuil shampoo agad gohéiriad an chrummel cadbhfuil tú dhéanú leis chun an réir sin na eil.
Well, sé mí á termsa na gohfuil the Santa Claus syndrome ormsa. So ní ormsa ach séhil agus tá sé ráis. So unfortunately, ma bhí me gur adúir tó bhí mis gur víteach le go nach ástra back, but bhí sé just on. So ní man an fá réiles, man. It's just go bheith gúnaí an chula November, just sé rud is tucre an urtá le fá réile, but bhí sé gúnaí an, so yeah.
Beidir beartid blian seogaí, na even fiú blian seo like a máscas was a blian beidir bleachal, blian ahhain, nó beidir couple style differently anu beidir twirl like natíhanní. Sim go tú alta i tríal bhaint asú.
Oh, don't worry, bhachman na, but go like my Hugh sí bochar tá daoine go bh gluch 911 me a go ceapte go duine le van bán. Siúil síos bothir. So mai tá gcéirm bleach blonde ceannáil ní se gur cúnúir tom, ní tá gur cúnúir tom, like this like should an fá go Movember an a go random a tick agus my daoine cans food I should do. But unfortunately couldn't ask go heal Bilganin in the regular world. My bitch is raw. Give us a frig it will latchin good heart the mustache mar head.
Iglum sa cuidiú le ban dear go chur istead a chum mar sin leat.
Yeah.
Oh, lovely, yeah.
Yeah, architecty cost la candy floss a hard vel, bitch.
Yeah, they were just down because hipster pedophile. That's great.
If you miss it all up plasty solar so cool. What do you call?
Fuck's sake.
Oh, for God's sake.
Yeah. What do you call it? Broad RPG. Well, no, it's few agus tá Alain over gentle go feel agus go fasta mata dingi I Gary area the hort le hai Movember walling go more agus sin go walling muidir fad yeah, tá nasú na bhfuil na yeah nasú.
Yeah, tá nasca sé mo bio persanta Instagram. So don't worry, ní roií má follow na tada. Sé just on dat na click ar is Began dontas nu sin tú a hurts go Movember.
Tá tú go mar gíoch James. Ní gá just mé leanú nó mé.
Ní dirt like, but look, feel free to. Níos go nóra.
Agus mata de Gary text a cheall hugum Badger sin fasta.
Yeah, it is coughing season. So
tá sé because tá my anniversary charts was the McCallan car and this
co-gardigus
Kimmy's blian
just blian away
blian on so Tom Chanora bhí bursagi just raw you know what so I'm sick of that lonely rinnolly.
It'll be lonely this Christmas. Agus sé tá se fear though like tarlíonn sin a méid sin uintí go bhéh seo ná go bhhain dingi relationships. Tá is hána féinna I cin aine bheith seo the anniversary charts was fásta ná bé níos móí sa bhíon.
Actually, chuig go le blian
Jesus.
ar an sé ó láideag den bhí seo, so Yeah. Tá me socrthe gceart.
That is a good lab blianta.
Cuig lei, yeah, cuig bling lei, tá muid le chéile. I know, bhí muid in ar lani, bhí muid in ar babies nar bhfuil muid an chéile.
But a good lab blianta. This is that. That's
Well, dear Shivermro anniversary chas, there my bardu just a laugh lane sin a
yeah, anniversary on you. Yearly thing. Ní bhíonn like anniversaries. Oh, it's my monthly anniversary. No, ní háiltesin. It's anniversaries blianta.
Tá sé tí sa fácail anniversary tagan sé ó anam as in blian.
Happy Valentine.
Unfortunately, like it is a Saura, which is polar opposites of same as Hugh. So
yeah.
The Saura is supposed to be hot girl summer, man. It's supposed to be hot girl summer.
Yeah.
Tatuan crusta for show James. That's a really first start.
Oh yeah. Spot the singleton amachs an túrain.
Fá second, so this is go máis fear seo cuí blian go leid. Agus níos sé pásta go fáil. That's crazy.
But you're walked.
Fair, honestly.
Ní mi seabbaltaí cos Junior dú hain leis alone 8 duine eile.
Hoca leat na civil services sin bu go bhéh agad, you know, Sheeny farm agus sin like Supermacs in the you know, better sin a banish farfa.
No, just go ahead. Don't tell the bride.
Oh yeah. Looks like the eat here, son.
Ní bheith muí nar bhí go más le magúna fiocu.
Fair.
Sin gur banish farfa ditration Hugh dogus Supermacs journey híthe sin rud a swear le dhéanú.
Bhí me se béimsa dead set dul like Supermacs éis ahanana hiá agus gcónaí caiime agus tá gcónaí go mála daine spáile lia na as hardware counter seo agus is going like oh ní gar gag Supermacs like níos se gomáile McDonald's tá se gomáile McDonald's agus tá níos fear na McDonald's so emigi live agus like do fáil ma snack box ná ma burger chicken fillet like do agus be amar dó agam.
At McDonough ma tatu géisteacht glach ariacht.
Ring me se like hui me se blianttí han chuim má ar ihe má agus fi má le ahain Americaní hí like ní as America hí Holland UCD is stajar agus bhí me se like no I'm just like Supermacs agus bhí like a hanning eleg fága agus like no I'm just like Supermacs tá go so just bhí ar an ra shot just sí lomsa i ghiad na snack box and you reach like níl clúgin go dé le ardú na la dé le eil like agus like no it's a class honestly it's a class agus bhí like well carton just go McDonald's like no Supermacs body's fair ní lór má lá ó bhí sin so
Beidir nar hatan sé lónirgin.
Beidir nar hatan. Beidir. Cén banish is fair me agus to James like hit like throw 12 to the banish a far like hella cén say stuff a bheith on. Me should genuine best man speech obviously.
Oh yeah, 100%. Yeah. Yeah. Neart all.
Yep.
There's alcohol. Yeah, better banish abroad. Is it fucking sass? You know, never know. Everything's at a draw. It's finish, but yeah. Better. I don't know. Like to be honest, like the whole banish is ass. Like well, banish perfect Somali version. Like we just splash because mates like the one one sort of like splashed old man. This man they crack it. Kill ma. That's another thing.
And kin is táhachtí. Agus ceirfut nig dé cadíanana mis agus tu fáil pástan is cin couple blian. Cin says banish bhé agad.
Well, ní mailum nar hinting na banish agus bín daoine ann as ní fiú aithne ag a fear as ban na tápósú ar an bhíon seo. Us go during right tismór óchaid tú chuirthirtig such and such agus the tríú col cearcha agus sin na like so Boil am bháinis bheith bug just daoine gom actually gardamh agus crackhhain hih gom as mór Dúirt James ceolínta.
Seán leiscata tú chun úsáidnis nar nachholtaí gaiir méid neir get a caiú an banish. No, tá just gairí na daoine bhfuil fear aithne agam orthú.
agus ag mis ggéar go ráháinna seagaí sin ná go mé go leir bridesmaids an.
Oh yeah.
No, tá sin tacky. Ní éim lei sin nach chéad. Yeah, níos móna bridesmaid sin go sin an tacky. No, to be 100 oh my god, nach she breakfast.
Yeah, just Jen Kitchen go running into Kenny single da and the hall. Agus tour like couple of row da, you know, that's good like na dingy a gherk and Chearra cost like hella heard, you know, kind of
yeah. But like fear beidir like ochter nerdkins and then you can list the rumse and then I'll decide what's
agus Jen listed likes, dislikes, like, you know, what gaelic aku, you know.
Well, I'm pet peeve aku fi moustaches. Just in case nach what the friggin' banish in November.
Yeah.
Okay. No, but it's tower.
More Neil James gave him more parts the cuffing season. Right.
Scanner sin a bridge over.
Because Saura, hot girl summer. So blame on. So
yeah. Shaw hot boy winter is the charts west and there's Shaw.
He glad to just more honest man I'll do so.
Wars my hair law post lobe so who's true.
Well can you go there came data Russian also came data Russia Saura na Russia sigimru. Mana Wallace get sin character ar fast in the clue was like
no we just September when you came data I think Carol Day I think
yeah
there a hot girl summer agus hot boy winter.
we should just set them off as hot girl summer agus we should like foray a cuffing season basically so we should head of the curve
we should cuffed in arm da neuroin and conscience of it neuroru and talking phase enu. I mean tema silgro should constantly hella solar should pass it but you know
no straight ain't no kissing.
Oh right, fair play people. Should die over Brincha Carew is
arranged marriages tomorrow.
Yeah.
Was that fake to here so Bob there too. I like you. You like me? Wedding. Boom.
Tamish excel go more like the Wanishish. Just so you know, you might even feel on origin it's just come and taffet da Shaw a shanty
who Wanish?
Yeah, I don't want it.
Be fucking exactly the ash in the door. I'll tell you that.
Jet is a full pasta.
Yeah. Fucking hell. Keep is not Christmas rooms. Fucking hell.
Du touch rain, didn't you, James? Touch rain, didn't you?
No, Niemand not Christmas from Hain, so.
Well, hook a lot of more bachelors in Mhaoir doing now. Like lots of we cool the shed.
Bis Joey a friends be granny flatbug again here.
Yeah. Uncle James, Steve cool.
Lovely. How you doing?
Oh yeah. Well, it can't be friends. Urker segue Shaw. Paul V I know. Ain't might be Paul Rudd. The more Ashur or friends or far tummel anri who more at far is Gneso so don't James Tascom hen go to Creever if you shaw nar lock should la the area the year at this much about the an 18 ship listen Kenushin la Paul Rudd of listen far as Gneso really.
Oh my is Bral an Paul Rudd. Oh bhí me an óg me go se an tarnta go just tá sé galanta agus sílim go se go tarnta mé go se granar. Yeah. This is far for so yes, ein team grillis go na seo.
You're machiche ag smuitiú like le dingy grammar. It's like the nerds to go like Adam Sandler more and fars Gneisler and Don. So like they're like really like in just like thinking of the general really grin like
Connie Mary na seachna bhí duine in Kirkesh like Catíúil Pete Davidson a fáil na cálíní le stoil ar dóin agus an teagra ná mí eala go pásanta maithige mí eala go se granar.
Tá Pete Davidson arcanse go se sound fásta like arcanse like
sin rud má go os so-called
But how can lots of file Kim Kardashian the Gale James speculation Cibí sin neam céhfuil mar Kim K le gail.
Tá agam sa aní me chun rá.
Okay.
Ní go name drops in this show. Like you know, to come back and move like a version so.
Yeah. Tá gom cé tí sweeter James.
Ja clú agam sa.
Éan mis Paul Rudd bheith mar ferris gnééis the version. The man crush am sa Paul Rudd. I absolutely adore the man.
Ant-Man.
Ant-Man. Oh God, I would love a film sin. And then Ant-Man the Wasp. Bhí my whole San Fran is origin and tugann se is San Fran. Like he was wondering chuim was production companies he's nuts hí ship go bud.
Yeah.
It's actually Ant-Man and the Wasp is the film out sin agus an coloiste bhí mis cúnaí necla sin an coloiste dúsa sin. It's just tá film cho funny. Tá legend just cho funny. It's talented. Like tá ngéad gifts for you. Tá ngéad like one-liners again. Oh, I love him so much. I'm happy with him.
He was grow me around Paul Rudd up she James and Kate.
Oh, 100%.
Tá an rá leis an smuoinú de Paul Rudd. Tá James an rá le Paul Rudd like leis an duine Paul Rudd.
Tá mis get a bheith mar Paul Rudd, but marú man an bheith mar Paul Rudd. Tógi ma shift on my Paul Rudd. It's okay.
Okay. Yeah. Ní iríonn se ní sinne a hurt like my arcantú ar féisní dá as like bhíle. Even my arcantú ar friends arcan se Chearra mar arcan seanis like.
Agus éis tátácha tá sé níos fearr le híis tá sé níos maltaí ó dúir se ní sinna arcan sé níos fearr like absolute dilf I'm telling you.
Sinna ceistí mar le chu art aine mai láat na dilfs ar bhfuil samgad sna fearní sinne.
Ní go honúil ach tá coppla eisceachta an nuascad like Bradley Cooper agus Paul Rudd sin never hain dús a gcónaí. Is Leonardo DiCaprio ach ní ahar
No, so it's just
Ashtar. Yeah.
What's that like? Fairness, like if Dina can have shocks with Paul Rudd today, but the Paul Rudd is good looking at Blake Shelton or Rua Hovleno can do Noruba. You know, like you know, it's a random game, I think.
Tá mas asca be an cead in bhí tú smuitiúir na an ceoltar le ceol Chearra go bhí sin spotta carú man I gcónaí.
Well, you're going to make like Gwen Stefani version, so that's another plus. So
nach man ar dá. Yeah, Jerry sa go sin níos fearr na ach tá daoine cos le beidir like Jason Momoa na The Rock na tá daoine mar sin like na gapa tú like go mé siad san níos dehil na Paul Rudd like
Tá Jason Momoa dóil ach ní mailam nuirta like an omar go matan ag fair tá sé git an scanner tá siad git cos le fahí like tá The Rock cos le fahach scandering sin mé.
No Henry Cavill beidir tá lein dí bhfuil gafa le Henry Cavill
sin Superman a bheith.
Yeah,
sin ro clean cut sílam.
Smile him far salach. Smile him lad. Like la far la. Get the far.
Fair, but not very raw muscular.
No.
But not very raw.
Agus ní rá glán hurt. Far ta.
Oh.
Salach.
Not in you could do it.
Far James show the James is as glacula dinner ví a mí sníige.
Woo!
Ja
ben is go hoer mis Áine. Ja ben go hoer ma.
Gail hoer.
Oh,
yeah. You love going cannot chance ma in fairness so.
Yeah. Hoer cart. Oh yeah.
Just FYI, no ní ha, okay.
Yeah, ní huair James. Ní hé.
No.
Jan an seo chuid obair sír náisce. Ní chaith tú airgad thuirtá. Ní Jan an seo go thomláin.
Dumis just trust a really good done job. I'm just a gigolo and everywhere I go.
Ní bheith bridesmaids a bí ar gá leis James in seo.
No, I like you go who's the but like at least pull on who's is really like me. The mission just stuck job.
It we're and where should sexiest woman just so fucking much like
100 sexiest women on hand in the I don't think we should that in these move.
No. Maxim Bishop and beyond it. I think about Tiana Taylor.
Tiana Taylor.
Neil Clue.
my real cohi.
Yeah,
Dan band is definitely niet sexiest because niet objects. Band is definitely.
Thank Cartigan.
Yeah.
I mean,
Damn straight.
Nachro this
is definitely not Áine de Armagh.
Oh, James, fire the blast my. James, fire the blast fear wine.
That's what Mad Dog's on those. I'm like, wait a second. Shouldn't he ban no knives out? Shouldn't he? Áine de Armagh. So I'm like, it shouldn't like my head. I'm here. Jeez, he has Armagh. Shouldn't have. Oh, VR my dad jokes in herself. I'm sorry, guys.
VR, absolutely. Tiana Taylor, she more kilter agus Vichy album Kanye West. Vichy My Beautiful Dark Twisted Fantasy. Agus really mission. So tell Anna Bergentaki. Tiana Taylor, Teyana. Behandling in a specky to Nerd tagging in the episode show up a Google Trends, Gus West, and there's Tiana Taylor in there.
Oh, she talk to Machla. I'm in Shumpert. NBA.
Okay, if you might like, animal nach achan me, better go Mr.
Oh, yeah, don't she that in fairness? Does she on that?
Firmagin, came with Insta Tiana is, Gorsian seal of approval as James. Paul Rudd agus Tiana Taylor. Done.
Áine Darmagh.
Áine Darmagh, yeah. Áine Darmagh, yeah.
Áine Darmagh, what is guess Spáir so. Give me the ball.
A train Gaelic Áine Darmagh, Sheelam. Yeah. Sheelam. She's a Gaeltacht.
She close to Colombo father.
Sheelam gurbe an Rowas fire chuni me nniuhe Joe.ie gur which na hearing gaffin she'd gur an sexiest man live na an ri hey no gun all Daniel O'Donnell
agus thank cart acu
no need
omla acu
no cart acu
Daniel Galanta
that ro chance good okay anyway go hom an under kinne Shanish da dar hannig Daniel Huggett la €1,000,000 agus vi like tamagay an the UK lat cat again
me banny him eh
no like Maria tested cost and scan on and decent proposal cost the machine you know
€1,000,000 on you know Michelle €1,000,000
well ta fein vas sogum sa James so you're him no
oh bitch
worth this is a cool station on you ni weet to none that post and had the Michelle ja all Mexico I guess that's it.
But James, he's saladi da agus with a margarita in a mason jar.
Vexert trauma earth in Cordella to the heel.
There's Daniel Bard.
It's not going to all and €1,000,000, so you have to damn what's you I think.
Oh.
You know, ta len dingy is captain to go you know, is looker carte. Because tasha shaska nish.
Is galore manani shinna atá crackle Jeff with Daniel.
The galore kachin was keen ochtu.
Yeah. Ach better, you know, go lenár gadaku faste, you know, better veil Daniel more the daddy shukra, she didn't vision the Gaelic guitar and fackle.
Ní hoclin ag o Magella though. Ní ligach Magella though.
No.
Éilu hiúl.
No. Ach eintim go homlan gur bé Ashen Kindan na dine is gnésil sa cheer. Because just solely just Ihamala Daniel, you know, we hit Mhaoir town, chinta ma finga jingar, agus sin stí goppers na stí could be etch.
get about karaoke.
Oh, absolutely. Agus
My just to that birds like tell me you're from Donegal without telling me you're from Donegal.
Now be Mosley Daniel.
James Cost like, oh, MTS, Shashna Fires, Gnesos the cheer. Oh, marching.
No, obviously Sean Von Branagh. Get the raw.
Oh, Gumalashka, yes.
Yeah. Get that sports in. Get Connemara in. Get on our televisions. Tell you. So shall run for his money. Good dang.
Combo.
Oh yeah.
Look, Dohio Shaverson. You know, man crush on my Dohio.
Fair, very fair. I'm a Waukeshiv an petition for James Corden. Agus é Siscanan Wicked.
Connie, and create their book.
Harter Cade Mila. Shin 5 second. She would go shin Dainra like Dundalk, no the immersion like shin like take more.
Sílam go bhí sé san sin scanan musical godíise tá daoine sin dá éáil. Sin go siad crusta in éiad an scanan cats a haachtamach as just náró si dábalta arca James Corden na canú or bí heile.
Agus siam just like gur cáil se an móhimsa an dóithchéarna faoi Ed Sheeran agus móhimsa faoi James Corden. Bhí siad microtí go airgad acu. Agus
Ed Sheeran fós go
Níl James níl.
Tá cup ó má an album nuige sin mé.
Oh no.
No, ach dosam get off James Corden though, meal. Bhí se go má zaitá sé cúpa blian bhí sé a league their own. Unbelievable. Bhí se ho funny is churad. And then the chuir sé go America. Ní sam like it's smarm so brand in the chat shows America nach sin, but ní rockán James Corden riamh éás gar like cean gatain eile.
Cai tú smuoitiú dearna an ó chail sé grants aige. Tá tuigean muidne seo tá loch fécinna faoi leithéige agus is smáil Americaní an cinál grant sin agus sinúirtá sé tuirta. A dúirhin danéanach sé daigen da jocha seáil is níon sé ag na sasna bh se an granurí sure bhí an Gavin and Stacey gur special ínta couple bléinoin so sin goil daoine an Jean James Corden.
Yeah, whole thing ní se chamála Jimmy Fallon nó Jimmy Kimmel nó Stephen Colbert ní se chamála op like so
Conan O'Brien.
Yeah, you know like I think well sé more favorite than Jimmy Fallon like you know so but yeah, it just goes to show got James Tanver to the chat show host ma like so.
Now why live she an carpool karaoke?
So ní mai ach is brelam chin an Na Seansálaithe Paul McCartney Sean rud bhí mu ra nuair tá se like nuair nachfuil like fearn scríbneoirí ar a chuil agus nuair nachfuil like cos níos the genu like fógriat or rud a bhí or vegagoro I don't know I don't think we'll fógriatí ar Paul McCartney a bunch seo le rud a bhí anu sim gohfuil a tascunge le cé Paul McCartney ach chin sin agus bhí sé just still hartar ar balas aige agus a bonus was daoine agus like a genu like bhí sin really jazz but like na cin eile it's like oh tá muid an seánis mar cardide like I walked to real na puttery behind the scenes le agus is trocha a taid chomanch an car so that she hasn't just like oh to man Charlam hutch courage as far as don BTS no like Justin Timberlake like could be then yeah oh hannig the Aran earn radio shin co crackle kin Harley shin
sin Americani that few near yen and check on le Kyoto or hasna being show wadney's granner tan can le Adele on white which just she'd actually Tim on charter London you should their cool truck or junction just the Lord Agus Tash
money though.
Oh yeah.
Look at agus sin gar fit an seach an the boys I think sin kin funny. Da could anwa. Den kan Justin Bieber go ma because he's you cannot match on go ma but like yeah the could elle though being shit. horrific.
Yeah.
Horrific.
There's a couple of the sections.
Bhí si bí sfear an tús agus sin go si do rihi mai smuin sin is.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Le cóhexachar ar méid daoine a síine an petition, because Dirk mas was na Dainread on the báilte le sa tír. Sin lecht an Dainread a Corcaí. Sin níos mó na an Dainread a Limní. Níos mó na Gaillimh, níos mó na Tala, like faoi gád a Waterford, like a major, like tag dách réit in méid the ach tá fiche sé punche ní million subscriber aige ar YouTube. So sílam go genú.
So sílam go méid sé all right.
Tá 100,000 soundra go mór, but bhfuil se really dó le duine chahamachchas film atá se gan fáí
Well, tá Cats genta aige, tá Into the Woods genta aige, tá
an cin sin bhír the prom.
Cinderella, the prom, tá sin get go gomarcach begéirt ó hain just cinú dhéanú gan a bheith na hain.
A walkatú an tweet agus bhí se le buhíí gannear an si Mamma Mia sol ro James Corden caiú cos bhé tesin cin an the dads feidir.
I can safely say an chéad film tú anrachan na sinine aine nach achan ceanbhaú.
Well, sílam ní héta an target audience le haid an mínta a ggurchar ceil drama ar Harvey, James.
Well, The Greatest Showman is like a work of art. Tá se class.
An mé sin marall ar an ceol ar marall ar Hugh Jackman.
Oh, it's cool. I love Kill. We should force get this Kill.
Yeah.
Rewrite the stairs, Blair as a go around.
Nar formish my AirPods and knowledge scotcha and Kdor and achan me a customer and AirPods and rewrite the stairs. I was also about Queenu. We all go to Blair out good audition and had Tor on Inta.
Oh, class. Like the kind of loves a Bob. Oh, unreal like. You like smart some musical like Mamma Mia. Class.
High School Musical. Let the whole album go down.
Mamma Mia 2, even you saw it, I go Lily James staring on. Even better.
Le James Corden, Neil and Target the order, so Kai go winning she an sult as an overshow, you know, as Anthony dollars ish crucito.
Yeah.
But that she an sever on post again. Show Kai have I'm sure say she them.
Yeah.
I feel like James Corden, I think good kinal. I say good kinal failed musician and their teens because Broadish Vakasa is a carpool karaoke in a musical show. As even like being really at the show again because they're like the rift offs agus all this crack like just it's Broadish Vakasa. So she not saying like she not the smooth smallish I think so.
As ní droch arani tá se able túna a chuineal.
I'd say probably tá a lein taige ag genú like ceol drama agus drama or like you know like sinna fly like rustabte because gen stuff like ring stuff like na Emmys faster she them ring like Aaron the Emmys yeah no to Michelle kill that like ní mailum James Corden to fly Ella nach mailum James Corden agus sin go bín se a Gary like change a hiig na unions an na scríbneir agus bín se a Gary níos lú agad a lacu so like not really raw white an a dingy tá gobar ach ní hééis sin na fáin like daró arm ra fá nach Roma Gary a cai sin probably cinna go but yeah chif mu is go sé tar lei leis an scan an seo because tá like cast
is sprálam an ceol drama seo so tá me súil go gnéan si job mai leis.
Tá dingy dochrate go vis Tá Ariana Grande go visí nach bhfuil agus tá well Badger James Corden yeah tá Ariana Grande on tá Cynthia Erivo as an céhin leis ra but an Tony Saki so is ceoltar ceol drama and that's just random master agus yeah no so tuch much cin dóid a change scanan A mé tú dul mata James Corden is tíon.
Yeah, but be mé fósta eil. Tá mé ar buzz James Corden fi láthir meall go mé ag arcar Gavin Stacey ríis, so a sprálam faoi láthir beidir nachar na mention again couple seachtain.
Fair. What do you called? And your foster this agus I suppose we like talk apart on fi géidir fi cear seachtain seo. Ar want tú soltas activity anu trí gaelic.
When me soltas an buzz like bhí ar lína her rud eile bhí go leor daoine sílim gur 25,000 dalta a chláirí le páirte gachas nima, so tá sin ínta. Tá sé fás a an bblion, for me má hí léna as caiith me an ná leige. Bhí daoine tuirta lux eistethe dú ag an chum me bóla le ní bhéar le mocharde agus well níor bhúil me le gail gur bhí heile nach bacumlum seir.
Agus an rotú an gal bóla go homlan trí gaelic le rotú albalta chu ceistre hain na bragaí agus fáil na balls agus a hand mar sin.
Lig mé do machar pléile sin nach bhí me carbú machard couple focal le Lord, so agus ní si in na Lord mar an gaelic degra, so sin gur rud dearfa sin.
An near sa gaelic fi cear ar the sá so James na ví is fuas.
Well, I think a gaeilge 24/7 365.
Yeah, mis mar gena.
Mis mar gena.
So was I near ein bé medieval gaeilge fi cear. Well, like I think amach na tíléint ag scoil di ach like ní go moet an ár gaeilge anyways like so yeah, well like there's a man is though like colostic so di mar hin chud a bhaim so di like but yeah, you know, like we missing like in Rinsachten like what being to kinda creamy law came is great on lords like more positive image not more great lords like so like you know tough marine like yeah the cream share great for cash and pack nach raw I don't know you cannot read my jam the East but like and back nach raw some smooth week mag man dan na T lanes agus a who's good couple in a bit and I figure the marine like
Dam si mar ding ahhaing Tá ding ahhaing eile an áfaigh lomsa bhfuil gaile acu agus nus tá just nascinis san like faoihear go fed le Lord lá in gaile in is námar fád cos bhí agláin like
I like den bháin nis go dig le Lord na gaile club.
Yeah.
Bhí an op arsú le cum an gaile oscail na Gallivan seo Bhí si do muithe genú an cold November swim agus siad le na tílénta si ag bóthir na trí agus le leirting eile agus iad dul sná so fair play dóibh.
Yeah, no. Neacham mar an neacham as just ní mai glans le henní ní smó siadm. Wat am lás cin ásáil na Gaillimh mór gur bhfuirma keep cup as keep cup as an Antas Macklin NUIG agus I take Romar an campus pedidir or mahil agus ach tan keep cup le reg mar delta in NUIG so sin just call siúl hart leis just le daine smuiti go me go fáin mar delta mar tá mai gurí ní sinne
bhí se an 3 blian ní ma keep cup a bit so
yeah mar sé chichon bhí sé tí an le hain open fi mes tí le boli was le cardú in sin am ar bhí mar an gáileh ach sinné agus just keep cup agam so
Tá bós má se gaige dó an NUIG do like ors na gaige scoiltí an like so bós das an like so fair play do agus is go November líana dó Jesus ní sin ééis go
Well so cin flag bhfuil a buzz chomór le gaelic in NUIG mar go se lein daoine as dunaál gur mí maigah
Mas gan de leithtóirí agus melinn tá leithtar station ó gúnaáil agus spragan siad antanga wit na gúnaáil. Éonúir chuimiisteathe in Arsenal na bhí mistí Arsenal bhí si a gcónaí i Lord gcónaí chuna mé canid gúnaáil na bhí meisi an gcónaí canid olta a bhí a rití de hala.
a criú agus sé rihn podchraoladh se propaganda dunig gáil chu a bhain
An ppodchraoladh seo áirithe ag visitní gáil ché visitní gáil
Donegal diaspora tá seo fondal nó cepain. Ní sin NUIGs mu sé á a gaige. Ní nach mis agus mo méid as garú as Connemara lá. So níos am ceá si fá ar Donegal Dutchach as anyways.
Drastal mis nóscail sin fe chuig blian so tá gom go dé crack a bhí an sté sin bhí go leor go leáilta ham.
As bhí ní smú chraic le na tutorial daoine as Connemara na bhí le drom Donegal. I tell you that. Shout out Gilise O'Shea, best wingwoman bhí Amarillo.
Oh, bhí Gilise agam sa cumai. No, shout out Lilas O'Leara atá sppraag go gailge Donegal ón chéad láistí sin.
Fair enough. Ní an éon drochar dó fao Lilas. Bhí cinn scealta tíogaí so dí, so it's good. Yeah. AIG though, great time.
Yeah, crony me, bhrálam dollarás.
Shout out chuig muir NUIG. Well, ag a punch sin go bheith on that note mar Jeremy Clarkson sin gur fág mu an sinna folks. On that bombshell. Saoirlí den nearlamid go tapíar bhsin dá ratchet.
Yeah.
I mean, yeah, sin on top challenge. Dar Roman on challenge then.
Beitas cos le Richard Hammond a búdú cáist in Mali.
Oh yeah, Mhaoir mar Richard Hammond na Gaeilge. That's sin a seal to my guy bheith. Ach sin go fágamid an sin é a chuirde gail gur mí mai go bheith géisteart ná an tearmid mu game which hain a leanst na main hoisiilta is féidir leanst na seansálaithe Instagram, Twitter agus YouTube agus sin natural fís ó tú in an feáil inis hegling mud leanst gopáirte ag Hugh Car here Instagram agus Twitter agus Mhaoir Instagram agus Twitter agus Flatharta Instagram agus Twitter fásta. Bhfuil rudabí eile a chartwas nuis go a ringmuid dearmad ar inis le chumid críic le seo.
Sin gur sin gur clúdí mu dahanir den not.
Yes!
An randomach. Woohoo!
Yeah, mar bhí ar sin túúirt go mó criminal.
Yeah.
There's a link in my bio agus cúpa ping thuirt go November. Even though tá sé ba thuirt go link in mórad tá sé fós gocht in car nach céanna, so it's all for a good cause.
Yeah. Níl art é leanst. Níl art é dhéanú. Ní caiú é dhéanú.
Unless go to really, really get it.
Yeah. But níl imbrú.
Like more what the cool, like that's grand. Like, you know,
yeah.
That's the cool now, but yeah.
All right. Well, slán folks agus bunig salt as we're jar shotting it. Slán.
Slán.